This week we're going to be doing an experiment that's so easy you could do it blindfolded. I mean, don't do it blindfolded. That's not a good idea. For this experiment, you'll need a tall glass, milk, water, washing up liquid, honey, and vegetable oil. First, take your tall glass and pour in a little honey. For this example, we're using 2 centimeters of honey. Then pour in an equal amount of washing up liquid, and then an equal amount of milk, and then an equal amount of water, and then an equal amount of oil. And you'll be amazed to see that the liquids stack on top of each other. This is because the density of a liquid will prevent them from mixing with each other. As you can see, the honey is the most dense and the oil is the least dense. So the oil won't mix with the water and the washing up liquid won't mix with the honey. Now we're going to try changing the order. Pour in the honey, then the oil, and then the washing up liquid. And you'll see that the washing up liquid will then sink through the oil and form another layer. However, it won't mix with the honey. Have a go at changing the order and see what interesting results you can achieve.